In this video, we are going to cook fried round scad, and we are going to need cornstarch. This is to avoid sticking on the pan. And we need sea salt to add flavor. We are going to rub the sea salt around the fish and coat the fish with cornstarch all over it. This is to avoid sticking on the pan. Now, let us heat the oil and put the fish in the pan. Cook each side for 3 to 5 minutes or until it is golden brown. As you can notice, it is easy and not sticking. Now, we are going to drain the oil after cooking. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe.